Thank you for downloading the Community Finder checklist. It should be in your inbox in the next 5 to 10 minutes. While you wait, let me go through the checklist with you so you know how to use it. You'll see there are 4 major factors to consider when you decide where to launch your next campus. Your new location will depend on the kind of launch team you can build, who's in your current congregation, the kind of people God is calling you to serve, and the facility options at hand. Let's go through them one by one. The first section will help you define what your launch team and target campus will look like. That means deciding things like when your campus is going to launch, who your campus pastor is going to be, and who will serve as leaders in this new campus. This will give you a better picture of what your launch is going to look like and help you build the right strategy to make it happen. We recommend going through this list only after you've gone through the other sections. The next section will help you know your current campus better and determine who may be interested in becoming a part of your new campus. Survey your congregation in detail and learn about the number of adults and children attending your church, where they live and how long they commute, how many leaders and small group members you have, and your church's serving or giving habits. By heat mapping your current campus, you can confirm the potential support you'll get for your new one. Remember, you aren't building from scratch, so use the momentum that God has given you at your current campus to jumpstart your new one. Moving on to section 3, this is where you will do lots of research to find out what community God is calling you to impact. It's important to gather information about the people you're going to serve and what their greatest needs are. When you know who you're reaching out to, you'll be more effective in ministering to them. Look up things like demographics, average household incomes, household sizes, average ages, commute times, and more. It's easier than ever to find this information. We recommend using online databases from the U.S. Census Bureau, local school districts, and county records. Finally, the last section is where you'll find the best location for your new campus. Whether you buy, lease, or rent a place, take note of the building's features such as how many seats it provides, available parking spaces, capacity for kids ministry, and rental or building costs. Be aware of your non-negotiables and find a physical location that fits both your budget and ministry needs. If you want a more comprehensive guide to finding the right facility for your new campus, check out our Facility Cost Comparison Guide. We've included a link to download the free resource here. That wraps up our Community Finder checklist. Thanks so much for watching. Check out our additional resources at portablechurch.com/resources. One last thing. I want to make sure that I offer up a free, no-sales, 20-minute consultation call to go through any questions you have about finding locations, managing volunteers, and anything else regarding portable churching. Click the link below. We'd love to hear from you. You can also reach out to us at info@portablechurch.com or give us a call at 800-939-7722. God bless.